As dense fog and chilly winters have already knocked the doors of Uttar Pradesh, the situation has turned a bit more chilly with temperature soaring down to 4.5 in Barabanki and around 7 to 8 in various districts from Lucknow. It is somewhere around 9, 10 or 11. We are reporting from Gomti Nagar area to show you the visibility at present in Lucknow. Just see the visuals and witness from this particular majestic Ambedkar Park. As cameraman Sandeep will zoom out the camera, you see the visibility will go down as the camera moves towards that tomb of that particular monument, and which clearly signifies what the level of visibility is in the state of Uttar Pradesh, especially in Lucknow. The vehicular movement has been suffered badly as the commuters have been advised to, in a way, ride their vehicles around or below 40 km/h. Also, they have been advised to use the fog lights, as we are seeing the visuals of the cars, bikes moving from this particular area using the fog lights or many other lights to ensure that there should be the proper visibility for another person moving towards. As per the weather department, there will no respite in the times to come for Uttar Pradesh, as red alert has also been issued in various districts. As you see that the vehicular movement is on here, but yes, many people are trying to stay indoors and taking some tea, soup or kadha to ensure and get this Ayurvedic thing done in this chilly winters to save themselves from cough and cold. With cameraman Sandeep Dubey, Samarth Shrivastava for India Today.